Welcome to e-Educational Dispensary. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, today we will try to solve quadratic equations problem set 2. See the questions. This question number 1 is MCQ type question. There are 8 questions. In each questions you have given 4 options A, B, C, D. You have to find which one is correct. Let's see which one of the quadratic equation, which one is the quadratic equation. It means you have to find which one is a quadratic equation. So you have to know about the quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? At least you have to remember the general form of quadratic equation. General form. What is general form? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It should be like that. The power of variable is 2. See here, in a 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to x square. Here upon x means in denominator there is x. If you want to delete this denominator, you have to multiply the whole equation by x, and then this x square is multiplied by x, it comes x cube. So power will become cube 3, so it will not be the quadratic equation. Come here, here x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 2. If you multiply this x with x, this will become x square, and then plus x into 5 is 5x is equal to 2. So here you will get x square in this equation, and when it is x power is 2, it means x square is there, and so this will become in the same general form. So this will be the correct answer, B. You are not supposed to go further. Here again, if you take the, see here, n and n, there is no power, square is not here. Here again, like that, here I told you that in denominator there is x square, then will become something different, more than 2. Say in question number 2, after the following equation, which one is not a quadratic equation? Here you have to find which one is not a quadratic equation. You have to remember the instructions. See, in question A, x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square. If you put all the powers together, like if I explain here, see, x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square. If you take x square this side on left side, so x square minus x square plus 4x minus 11 is equal to 0, and this x square plus and minus will get cancelled, so we will get 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. It is not in the form of general form, so it is not a quadratic equation. So you find this first one, A1, is not a quadratic equation. Here we find x power 2 x square is here. Here you see 5x square is equal to 90, so you will get square here also. Here in this case, 2x minus x square is equal to x square plus 2 plus 5. If you take this x square this side, this again become minus x square, so this will, you will get 2 minus 2x square. So all the equations are a quadratic equation, but what is asked, which one is not a quadratic equation? So A1 is not a quadratic equation. Now in question 3, the roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal. Find k. Here the roots are real and equal. It means determinant, or you can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So just check. Equation given is x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to k, and c is equal to k. What is b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac? B square means k square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is k. So k square minus 4k is equal to 0. You have to find k square minus 4k is equal to 0. You just check if what is option A? Option A is 0. If you put k instead of k, you take 0 square minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. You get minus 4 into 0 is 0, and here k is equal to 0. So you will get the 0 answer. Means this one is correct answer. But here 4 is also given and 0 or 4 is given. So you have to check the 4 also. If you take k is equal to 4, if you take k is equal to 4, then k square minus 4k, you have to find this one. K square is 4 square minus 4 into k is 4 is equal to 4 square 16 minus 16, again it is 0. So answer 0 is also correct, answer 4 is also correct. Here both the answers are correct, but here option is given 0 or 4. What about 2? If you take 2, if you take k is equal to 2, so k square minus 4k is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2. You will get 2 square is 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4. So this will not be the answer. Here 0 is the answer, 4, but separately here it is given 0 or 4. So this is the correct answer. Now I have cleaned the rough work place. See, in question number 4, for root 2 x square minus 5x plus root 2 is equal to 0, find the value of the determinant. Value of the determinant means you have to find b square minus 4ac. That is also called delta. So see the equation. Root 2 x square minus 5x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to root 2, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to root 2. What is b square minus 4ac? You have to find b square minus 4ac. B square means 5 minus 5 square minus 4 into a is root 2 and c is also root 2. So b square minus 5 square is 25, and root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 4 is 8 and minus. So minus 8 is equal to, this comes to 17. 25 minus 8 is 17. You will get here a is minus 5, b is 17, root 2 to root 2 minus 5. So this 17 is correct answer. In question 5, which of the following quadratic equation has roots 3 and 5? 3 and 5. Just check. If you see here, x square minus 15x plus 8 is equal to 0. By splitting the middle term, you can know, I have explained in my previous lecture also, that splitting the middle term, you have to split this term, multiplication of middle term in two parts, such that their multiplication should be multiplication of first and last. Means you have to split minus 15 in two parts. Multiplication of two parts comes to 18. It is not possible here. So come here in the B. Here x square minus 8x plus 15. You have to split this minus 8 into two parts, such that their multiplication should be 15. So if you split this, means you have to, when at the time of adding you will get 8 minus, and at the time of multiplication you get 15. So if you split this one, that is minus 5 and minus 3. minus 5 minus 3, it comes minus 8, and multiplication of minus 5 minus 3 is 15. So this will be the factors. So when you get x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to, their roots are plus 3 and 5. So this will be the answer. Let's see question number 7. Root 5m square minus root 5m plus root 5 is equal to 0. Which of the following statement is true for the given equation? Here equations are given, answers are given: real and unequal roots, real and equal roots, roots are not real. You have to remember about the value of delta. So let's find the value of delta. Here it is given, equation given: root 5 m square minus root 5 m plus root 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus root 5, and c is equal to root 5. Find the delta. Delta means b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? b square means minus 5 root minus 5 square minus 4 into a is root 5 into c is root 5. So this minus 5 square is will get 5 square, root 5 square. So root 5 and square get cancelled, it will become 5, and this 5 into 5, root 5 into root 5 is 5, into minus 4 is minus 20, and here it is minus 5. So minus 5 minus 20 is minus 25, and delta is greater than 0 because delta is minus 25. So it is greater than 0, then the C option, roots are not real. In question number 8, one of the roots of equation x square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0 is 2. One of the root given is 2. So let's see the equation. M square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0. One of the root is 2. So one of the root is 2. So put the value 2 in this equation. This is x square. Put the value of 2 in this equation in place of x. So 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore 2 square is 4 plus 2m minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 2m 4 minus 5 is minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2m is equal to 1. Therefore m is equal to 1 upon 2. So this answer C is correct, 1 upon 2. In this question number 2, instruction is which of the following equations is quadratic. Means we have to find which one is a quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, you have to remember the general form of quadratic equation, means that is general form you have to remember ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This general form you have to remember. If this equation is in this form, then it is a quadratic equation, otherwise it is not a quadratic equation. See here, x square plus 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. It is totally in the form of general form, so it is a quadratic equation. Because it is in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is a general form. See in this question, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square. Just try to solve. X square take this x square from right side to left side, minus x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus x square get cancelled, so this is minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation because it is not in the general form. See here in example number 3, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 2x square. It is in the form of complete whole square formula. What is whole square formula? A plus b whole square, or x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, means square of first element plus 2 into first element into second element plus second element square is equal to 2x square. So this will x square plus 2 into 2 4x plus 2 square is 4 is equal to 2x square. Take this 2 square this left side, x square minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square is minus x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. It is in the general form like this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is also a quadratic equation. In question number 3, find the value of discriminant in delta. It means b square minus 4ac delta discriminant for each of the following equation. So first see, it is completed in the general form. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2. What is b square minus 4ac? You have to find discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 1 square minus 4 into a, 2 into c is 2. Here 1 square is 1 minus 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16 is equal to 1 minus 16 is minus 15. This will be discriminant. Here in the second question, 5m square minus m is equal to 0. This one is not in complete form, general form. So put it in the general form. So 5m square minus m plus 0 is equal to 0. So now it becomes in a general form. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. What is b square minus 4ac is equal to b square? B square is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 5 is a and c is 0. So minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 5 are 20, 20 to 0 is 0. So this will become 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So this will become the discriminant. Now in third question, it is in the form. So a is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus root 5. What is b square minus 4ac? B square is minus 1 square minus 4 into a is root 5 into c is minus root 5. So 1 square is 1, this minus minus plus root 5 into 5, root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 into 4 is 20. So it is 21. This is the answer. Now here in question number 4, it is given one of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is 0 is minus 2. Find k. So let's see. Equation is 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. And it is also given that one of the root is minus 2. So put the 2 in the given equation instead of x. So 1 of the root is minus 2, therefore 2 into minus 2 square plus k into minus 2 is equal to 0. I have substituted minus 2 in place of x. Therefore 2 minus 2 square is 4 plus k into minus 2 is minus 2k, minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore this become 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2k, 6 minus 8 minus 2 is plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2k is equal to minus 6. Both sides is minus, so multiply the equation with minus. If you multiply the equation with minus, then this both the minus will become plus. So 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore k is equal to 3. Now in question number 5, two roots of quadratic equations are given. Two roots are given. Frame the equation. For framing the equation, you have to remember the formula. What is the formula? I write the formula first. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the formula. This is the formula. You have to remember the formula. See, in this question, suppose alpha is equal to 10 and beta is equal to minus 10. So put this given alpha and beta in this equation. So x square minus, find the value of alpha and beta. Find the value of alpha plus beta. What is alpha? Alpha is 10 plus beta is minus 10. Here 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. And alpha into beta. Alpha is 10 and beta is minus 10. So alpha into beta is minus 100. So put these value alpha and beta in this form. So equation must be x square minus alpha and beta is, alpha plus beta is 0. So 0x plus alpha into beta is minus 100 is equal to 0. So therefore equation is x square minus 100 is equal to 0. In the second example, find alpha is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is equal to 1 plus 3 root 5. So first find alpha plus beta. Alpha is 1 minus 3 root 5 plus beta is 1 plus 3 root 5. So plus 3 root 5 and minus 3 4 get cancelled. Alpha plus beta is 1 plus 1 is 2. So write the equation in this form. What is the equation form? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the equation form. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta is m. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Now find alpha into beta. What is alpha? 1 minus 3 root 5 and what is beta? 1 plus 3 root 5. If you see, this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Then with the formula a square minus b square. So this will 1 square minus 9 into 5, 9 to 5, this 5 is root 5 ka square 5 and 9. So 1 square is 1 minus 9 5 the 45 and this will come minus 44. Now put the value in this form, equation form, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the form. So put the value x square minus alpha plus beta is 2, 2x plus alpha into beta is minus 44 is equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 2x minus 44 is equal to 0. Now in question number 3, here alpha is 0 and beta is 7. Find the alpha plus beta. 0 plus 7 is 7 and alpha into beta is 0 into 7 is 0. The equation form x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta is 7, 7x and alpha into beta is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Let's see in question number 6, determine the nature of roots for each of the following quadratic equation. Nature of root. For nature of root, you have to remember these three formulas. Delta is equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. If you find delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal, and if delta is less than 0, then roots are not real. You have to remember these three formulas to find the nature of the roots. So let's say in question number 1, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. Find the delta. Delta means b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? Minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 7. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 3 the 12, 12 7 the 84 and 25 minus 84, minus is greater, so minus, taking from 1 14 minus 5 is 9, 7 minus 2 is 5, so it is minus 59. Minus 59, it is less than 0. So delta is minus 59, so delta is less than 0, so the roots are not real. See in question number 2. Here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to root 2 and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. What is delta? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Root 2 square minus 4 into a is root 3 into c is minus 2 root 3. Root 2 square root get cancelled, means 2, this minus and minus become plus, This root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. See, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 4, 24, and minus minus plus. So this will become plus 26. Plus 26, it means delta is greater than 0. If delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Now, in question number 3, m square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. What is delta? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 2 square minus 4 into a1 into c is also 1. So this minus 2 is square is 4 minus 4 1 is 4 and it will become 0. If delta is equal to 0, see the checklist. Delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So in this question you have to remember these three values of deltas and you have to find delta, that is b square minus 4ac, then you will get the roots. Now in question number 7, solve the following quadratic question. This question number 7 consists of 6 sub questions. So let's solve 2. First one is 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon x square. Take this 1 upon x square to the left side. Therefore 1 upon x plus 5 minus 1 upon x square is equal to 0. Add these two. So take LCM by multiplication, x plus 5 and x square. In short way, you can take cross multiplication, x square minus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is x square and this one is minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. This comes right side and this whole become 0 then afterward. So x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0 because 0 is multiplying the whole equation whole, so all become 0. So x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0. If you want to split this middle term to get third term in multiplication, you can't get. So do it by formula method. What is formula method? First find b square minus 4ac. What is b square? So you have to find a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 5. What is b square minus 4ac? B square is minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 5. So you will get 1, this minus minus plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 21. B square minus 4ac is 21. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then you will get what is minus b. Minus is minus minus 1, double minus. Minus b plus minus, what is b square minus 4ac is 21 upon 2 into a is 1. So you will get this minus minus become plus 1 plus minus root 21 upon 2 and the you will get the roots, that is 1 plus root 21 upon 2 and 1 minus root 21 upon 2. These are the factors. In question number 2, here x square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. Here upon 10, in denominator there is 10, so multiply whole equation by 10. Equation by 10. What happened? Then 10x square minus 10 into 3x upon 10 minus 10 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 0 into 10. Here 10 gets cancelled, here this cancelled. Then 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to factorize this. So let's check the factorization method, and you have to split the middle term. So split the middle term and you want answer as minus 3, and in multiplication first and third, multiplication first and third is minus 10. So you have to split this one in two parts such that you will get minus 10 in multiplication. Here it will minus 10 means 1 is plus and 1 is minus, so minus 4 and plus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 3, but you can't get this number. So minus 5 and 2, these are the two factors. Minus 5 and 2, you will get minus 3, and in multiplication minus 5 and 2 is minus 10. So therefore 10x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take common, 5x common. Here you can get 2x minus 1. Here minus 1 is plus 1 is common, so you will get 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 common, and you will get 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1 or 5x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2 or x is equal to 1 upon 5. Here it is minus 1 and you will get minus 5. So answer will be this one. In question number 3, 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to 25. Let's expand this with the formula, that is x plus y whole square means x square plus 2xy plus y square means first element is square plus 2 into first element into second element plus second element square is equal to 25. This will become 4x square plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12x plus 3 3 the 9 is equal to 25. Take the 25 left side, therefore 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore 4x square plus 12x, 9 minus 25 is minus 16 is equal to 0. Here 4x square, 12x and 16, you will get 4 as common. 4 is common, x square plus 4 3 the 12, so 3x minus 4 4 the 16 is equal to 0. Then x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. This 4 comes this side of become in denominator. x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. You have to solve this equation by factorization. You have to split this 3 such that you will get multiplication of in 4. So plus 3 plus 4 and minus 1. So x square plus 4x minus x. The 4x minus x is 3x and 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Taking common here, x is common. So x plus 4 here, minus 1 is common. X plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 is common. X minus 1 is 0. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 1. Now in this question number 4, m square plus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. You have to split this middle term 5 such that their multiplication must be 5. So it is not possible in this way splitting the middle term. So let's do this by formula method, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 5. Find b square minus 4ac. What is b square? 5 square minus 4 into 1 into c is 5. So 5 square is 25 minus 5 fours are 20 is equal to 5. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b is 5, so minus 5 plus minus in root b square minus 4ac is 5 upon 2 into a is 1. So this will become minus 5 plus minus root 5 upon 2. So answer is, divide this in separate it, means therefore minus 5 plus root 5 upon 2 or minus 5 minus root 5 upon 2 is the answer. In this question number 5, 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Here to split the middle term 2 to get the third term, that is 5 into 1 is 5. But you can't split the middle term because multiplication of 5 you can't get that one. So you have to go through the formula method and find b square minus 4ac. So here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. What is b square minus 4ac? b square is 2 square minus 4 into a into c. 4, 2 square is 4 minus 5 4s are 20 and this will be minus 16. But you have got minus 16 means delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0, so the answer is not real. You can't get real answer. Now in question number 6, x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. First check whether you split this middle term minus 4 and you get minus 3 as multiplication, you can't get. So go to the formula method. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 3. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into a into this c is minus 3. 4 square is 16, this minus minus get plus, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 12 is 28. So see the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus in root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. substitute the value, minus b is minus 4, two signs, keep it in bracket, plus minus root b square by 4 is 28 upon 2 into a is 1. So we'll get 4, this minus minus plus 4 plus minus in root 28. 28 you divide in two parts such as that square in the form of square. So 4 into 7 upon 2. Take 4 outside and you will get 2. 4 plus minus, if you take 4 outside the root, it will become 2 root 7 upon 2. Take 2 common. 2 common, you will get 2 plus minus root 7 upon 2. This 2 gets cancelled. So 2 plus minus root 7 means you will get two answers, 2 plus root 7 or 2 minus root 7. These are the answers. I have solved 7 questions of this problem set 2. For more questions and their answers, see my second video, continuation of this chapter. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.